Alright guys, welcome to the hangar. We're in the hangar backyard and we're flying the HRC 7. I wanted to give you guys a quick little sneak peek on what we're doing here at the hangar. Some of you may have seen this on social media. This plane is the 7. This is an awesome plane that we're developing. 4 channels, I guess you could call it a sport plane. It's not quite a 3D plane, but it is a sport plane. It's a lot of fun to fly. The more stick time I get on this plane, the more I love it. It's a beautiful plane. Flies very well. It was designed by KYLAN Browning. He's one of our designers here at the hangar. He's done an amazing job. Gotta love this plane. Once again, HRC 7 coming your way.
You ready?
Yeah, let's do this.
Oh, wow. So we've got a little lull in the storm here, so the wind is not too choppy. We've got the HRC 7. Still in beta testing. This is version 1.0.
Oh, we got some golden hour light.
Alright, so today we're going to test the continuing beta project of the HRC 7. This plane is currently still in development. Okay, let's do it. Yeah.
Whenever you're ready.
Let's do it. Vertical takeoff.
Oh wow. Oh wow. That is rad. Well done, KYLAN. Well done.
Oh man.
This is such a fun airframe to fly. It's super smooth, super responsive, rolls on a dime, flies on rails. It's amazing. With one of our skins, it looks phenomenal in the sky. Very scale looking in the sky. It's amazing how scale this bird looks when you're flying scale. When you're flying slow, it really, really looks like a Vans RV7. And the nice thing about this airframe is it slows down really nice. You want to fly slow, it'll slow down for you. Tell you what, the team put in the effort on this, including KYLAN. Man, I can't thank them enough. We put a lot of hard hours in on this plane, and we want to make it just right for you guys. And hopefully, the end of this month, you guys can have the opportunity to get your hands on this airframe, because it truly is an amazing airframe. Oh look, that might be KYLAN.
Pretty looking plane.
Hey KYLAN, what's up? I'm just once again letting our viewers in on what we're doing with the 7. Give them kind of a sneak peek.
Heck yeah.
This bird is amazing, dude. Oh, look at that. Look what you brought. Come out here.
What's that?
Come out here.
Alrighty.
Hey, look who it is. It's KYLAN,
What's up?
designer of the 7. There it is, guys. Sneak peek of what we're doing here at the hangar. Amazing airframe. Flies on rails. We call it a sport plane. Not quite a 3D
trainer.
plane, but sport trainer, absolutely. 4-channel, and got a little dandelion for my last landing. Beautiful plane. Available with 3 skins, maybe 4. We're working, definitely 3. We're working on the 4th. Available at the end of this month. So stay tuned. Visit us on the hangarrc.com and like us and subscribe to us on all our social media channels. Till next time, we'll see you later.